day. This has arrived. So we'll just see this, some new gear for the camera. Just try and improve the audio on some of the videos. So, movo vxr10 works on cameras, phones, tablets, laptops. Comes with a hot shoe fitting. Let's open it up. So, microphone and dead cat. Leads, more leads. A hot shoe and something or other. And a bag. Put this into test in a bit. Hello!
Oh, Lord, give me strength.
So this is about 17-ish feet maybe. So this is the audio test. Obviously not the best audio test because I need to test it on cars really. We have baby running away there. And mummy's over there. Be interesting to see how much exhaust sound this will pick up. Oh dear. Naughty baby climbing on the sofa.